everyone, welcome back to, or not welcome back, welcome to the first tutorial of creating a Discord bot with JavaScript. I hope you guys are having a great day today. So today we're going to be creating a Discord bot, and it's going to be our first tutorial. This is going to be a beginner's tutorial. So if you already know how to create one of these, then you can either skip it, but if you don't, okay, fine. But this is going to be a rundown beginner tutorial. We're going to try to explain as many things as we can, and we're just going to get our bot online. We're not going to have any commands. The bot's basically not going to be able to do anything. The only thing that we're going to be able to do is turn it on. So let's get started. So a couple things that we're going to need is we're going to be needing a Node, and Node is going to be what we're going to be running on, and we're going to select the LTS version, not the current. So, and what we're going to need also is Visual Studio Code. So get Visual Studio Code. It is also in the description. All these links are in the description below. So just download that as well. And if you give it a moment, it's going to download Visual Studio Code. There it is. I already have those two installed, so you're gonna both run them. And once you have those installed, we're gonna go ahead and go into our Discord developer portal. We're gonna click on New Application, and then this is basically this is basically gonna be your bot name. So choose wisely. Even though you can change it, I suggest that you basically you can, I guess, call it whatever you want. So I'm just gonna call it the classical tutorial bot. Keep it simple, not too challenging or anything, and then give it a nice profile picture if you want to, but it's not necessary. Now we're going to go into our bot right here, and then where it says bringing a app to life off with the bot user, add bot, yes, do it. And then we're going to go ahead and copy the client ID, and then we're going to go into our Discord permissions calculator, and we're just going to give it paste the client ID here. We're just going to give it admin because why not? And now we're going to go ahead and select it to our server, not that server, the cookie jar. And then I'm not a robot. I mean, if you are a robot, you don't have to select that. And it's in our server. My cookies utility bot is basically welcoming my tutorial bot in there. So I'm just gonna give it admin perms. Actually, we don't need to give it admin perms. We just need to give it bot. And then we should be here. Is that it? Yeah, that's it. Okay. That is okay. So now we can go ahead and, so we have these installed already. We can click out of these three except the developer portal. We're gonna go ahead and go into Visual Studio Code, and we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna do open folder, and we're gonna do right click, new folder. I'm just gonna call it tutorial bot because this is gonna be my folder name. Select folder, and we're inside that folder. Okay, so now that we're here, we're just gonna close out that welcome screen. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna go into command run and cmd. So now that we're here at the command folder, or not command folder, command console, we're gonna do c desktop cd the folder name. So mine's in a separate folder. So let's say I have a bot in the tutorial in the desktop, so I do cd the folder name. So example there, but it's not there because I have it in different folder. So cd Discord bots, cd my bots, cd tutorial, and now in there we're going to do npm init y. Oh, oops. npm init, just npm init. And then now we're going to just just press enter all right here, and then what says this is okay? Yes. And then I will do another thing. We'll do npm install discord.js -- save. Excuse me. Alright, we have both of those installed, and now if we go into our package JSON, basically what this is going to tell us is basically going to be what kind of dependencies and but dependencies the bot has. So for instance, one of our dependencies is discord.js, because we installed it via npm. Now npm is with Node. Now if you do not have Node, or none of these npm works, then that means you don't have Node installed. So download Node. We can close that now. And now we're going to create a folder called index.js. Now the reason it's called index.js is because our main right here is called index.js. So index.js. And now I'm going to start coding, and I'm going to explain what this means. So const discord require discord.js, and then const bot equals new discord.client. So what this is basically meaning is we're going to be requiring something from discord.js. For instance, it's going to be Discord. So basically that we're going to be requiring Discord from discord.js, and now we're going to be requiring a bot. Whenever we do bot, we're going to start a new discord.client. So now we're going to do bot.on. We're going to call this a ready event. Now what ready event means, or the ready, is basically when the bot turns on and is like no errors, it's ready to go. This is what will happen. So we'll do console.log bot.username is now online. Now we do, actually forgot, I need to create a const. We're gonna go ahead and create another folder. We're gonna call this config.json, and then we're gonna do that, and we're gonna do token, and then we're gonna go back into our developer portal, and we're gonna click on bot, and we're gonna click on copy token. Now I am going to be regenerating it every single time, so, but do not share your token. That's bad. Really bad. So I'm pasting it because I can. So we're gonna do config equals require dot config.json, and now we're gonna do bot.login config.token. So basically, basically, if you guys didn't understand, we're going to be requiring something from discord.js, so it's going to be Discord, and we're defining our bot as bot, so it's going to be new Discord client, and we're requiring our config files from a different file, and we're requiring whatever is in here, and whatever config is, we're going to be requiring it from config our JSON file. And our ready event is basically when the bot is online with no errors. It's going to log us to our console, and we're going to do bot.login, and basically the bot turns on, like it logs in, and we're going to do config, so it reads the config, and .token, so our token is this thing right here. So now if we do node space dot, it's going to say undefined bot.user.username. There you go. Now it says it's online. Now I forgot to tell you how to open the terminal. It's gonna say, or it's not gonna say, control tilde key. It's right next to the 1. It should look like this. So always do control S to save too. So node space dot, go back to our server, and guess who is online? Boom, boom, boom. He's online. But he has no purposes because there is nothing to do with the bot. So in our next tutorial, we're going to be setting up the bot's commands, and then after that, we're going to be creating the command embeds And after that, the big boy command handler, which is going to help us with creating a file for each of our commands. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you later. Bye bye.